Hello everyone. First and foremost, thank you for tuning in to our channel and from the bottom of my heart, watching our videos. Today I'll be featuring a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-story home, which we just listed in sought-after Chandler, Arizona. My name is Sean Rogers, lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and I'd be more than happy to answer any of your Valley of the Sun real estate questions. Buying and or selling, renting, perhaps investing. All of my contact information can be found in the description below. But without further ado, let's take the tour of what might be your next home.